So I can show you what I was doing. Basically I have an issue where I don't have the right Allen key size for that. It's just like one size up from that. Yeah, there's like 2 Allen keys there to take off. I can't really do it with this tool. I have to find another Allen key or maybe buy something that's a bit bigger than that one. I tried the bigger one, but it's like too big. It doesn't fit. Wait, does that have to come off? Maybe we can just do that one. I think I can take the tire off without doing this, but it's more the putting it on. Fuck, it's really tight. Yeah, that's really. Oh, wow. Oh, did it kind of. I haven't done this before, but I watched the YouTube video just briefly. So we'll see what happens to the wheel. Just making sure you remember where all the nuts go and stuff like that. Yeah, like this thing. Just remember the orders they kind of came in like that. This one's not like a speed run like the other one I was doing. I think I have to also decide. Fuck. It's so hard to hold up. There's like a little hole here. I don't know if you can see, but it's like just there. There's a hole. Put something thin to break off the visor thing. Yeah, this tool is really handy. Not sure how they did it in the video. Yeah, that's really hard. Shit. I don't have a lot of the. I could start an e-scooter repair business, right? Also for bikes, maybe. But my location isn't central. Fuck. I don't know how they put something in there. It's really hard. Yeah, that's super like stuck on. Some kind of knife would help. It's not I'll have a blade. I don't think it's big enough. Oh, fuck. Damn, that is not coming off. Let me just watch the video again quickly. YouTube. Damn. I don't have YouTube on this phone. And it says not enough storage. I'm not even joking. Oh man. One second, let me try to get rid of my YouTube music. Yeah, I have a problem with iPhone taking storage off it. Reinstalling, okay. Okay, not enough space, it's the normal. I have another phone. 1 second. Yeah, this one has YouTube, thankfully. Change Xiaomi Pro to Tyre. Which one was this one? I think I watched this one.
Since 1984, CBus has returned an average of 8.87% per annum, and hard work has and always will be at the foundation of it all. CBus Super, making hard work.
How do I turn down the volume? The buttons are not really working. Oh, there. My goodness. So many ads. Oh,
hi everyone, and welcome to our video, where we will...
He got taking on old Tyre. Oh, he already took the part. Says he took off the visor part first.
Thing.
I think I don't have the right tool. One comment says, don't try this at home or something. Oh, it's not really loading. I don't know what's going on. Huawei phone, bro. Probably like spying on me or something. Oh, it's not loading. I don't know. He like kind of popped off this thing. It's just really hard. Anyway, I can take the tire off, but then it will be stuck. So I'm stuck on this part, getting that fucking thing off somehow. I don't think I have the right tool. It seems stuck on. Let me watch it again. I don't know what this guy was doing. He made it look so easy, bro. He said there was 2 types.
If you have a more recent model with reflectors, taking them off is very simple.
Fuck.
On the front of their covers
simple,
is a
bro.
little hole. You just have to push inside this little hole with a thin Allen key to unclip the reflector.
What the fuck? He put
Then, to
something
remove
inside.
it, you just have to lift it with a small flat
I
screwdriver.
think I was doing it wrong, but I don't have the right thing. Yeah, it's not small enough. Might have to go to Bunnings, bro. Ooh, what is that? Like some kind of food object. That's disgusting. Yeah, damn. I don't have the right. No, that's not right. At least I don't think it will. Let's try it. No, it needs to be something hard. It definitely fits alright. Zip tie. but it doesn't. I don't think it does anything. Yeah, that's too big. Oh, my attention is failing me. Oh, I found a needle. Might work. Oh, it's not really working. Fuck. Oh, wait, it came up. Maybe it did work. Oh, try again. Oh, yeah, it worked. Nice. I'm using tools that basically whatever works. Yeah, handy to have a flat head, which is on here. If it's gonna open up or not. Oh, it worked. Handy. Alright, yeah, these ones, it's pretty hard to see. Let me move the camera. These ones are pretty hard to take off. That's working, I think. Nice. But on the other side, I didn't need to move that. Do I even need to take this off? Because I just need that part, I think. Minutes. Yeah, I think somehow it's going to take longer than 36 minutes. I'll try my
onto the front of the frame.
Weird.
Step 5. Do exactly the same thing on the other side of the rear wheel.
Oh yeah, that's the comment I was trying to show you.
To remove the small screw easily, simply push the metal rod towards the outside while unscrewing it.
What is that? Remud God.
Step 6. You can now take off the punctured rear wheel of your Xiaomi by simply pulling it backwards.
I should be able to do that now, right?
Step 7. We really recommend that you take off the brake disc. It's very simple. There are 5 little screws to remove with a 3mm Allen key.
Why do I have to take the brake disc off? So if I just... there's something else holding it. Oh. The mud guard. Okay, I think that needs to come off. There's something there. Which means this side also needs to come off. It's stuck. It's really jammed. Anyways, I don't need to take that off for now. I can just use this thing I think was working. Hopefully. Oh, it's not really working. It's kind of working, but fuck. No, it's too small. Oh fuck. Then how do I get that screw there? If you can see, I can show you closely. Oh, it says I can't put the flash on for some reason. Slow battery. Shit. There's a screw in there. I'll see if I put another flash on it. I'm using 3 phones at the moment. So there's something in there I need to reach, but I can't get those things out. It's like a smaller Allen key. Oh, super annoying. Yeah, somehow I need to charge the phone. The battery. Let me just pause it for a sec. So yeah, I got a battery, but yeah, a bit of a shame about this one. Oh, it's so heavy. It's got the battery in here. I don't know, the video said I have to remove the mud guards, but that's gonna be an issue there. It's a Philips. What size is that, bro? I can't take that off. The other side should be fine though. I'll show you. Heavy. That one. Maybe not the best angle for the camera. I'm trying my best. So we gotta do that screw there. It's like a Phillips. This is a Phillips one here. I'm just curious. Let's just do that for now. I'm not sure if it's slowly coming out. Need a better. Maybe this one's better. Yeah. That seems. Oh fuck! That just popped out. Oh, I got it here. Yeah, trying to organize them lately, but I don't have the best workspace. Shit. Okay, so that one came out. Trying to be careful not to jam my fingers. Oh fuck! There's a lot of hair here. I think some is mine, some was my ex's hair. It's really like, her scooter had the same thing. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, oh yeah, I'm just taking it out because all that kind of adds friction, which uses more battery to turn the wheel. Can't imagine what a car would have. Oh, there's a bug. Spider. My scooter had bugs. It was kind of outside for a while. Yeah, the other part, I think I'm gonna get stuck because this side, the visor actually broke off in just from normal use, wear and tear, so I could access that part, which gives me a kind of an idea for this one, but I don't want to really break it because the visor looks kind of cool. Fuck, then I need to like go to Bunnings or something. I can try one thing if it's going to work, but there's more hair here, it's not good. You can see the hair. Having a girlfriend with a scooter, not good. Oh my. Damn, how do I get these out, bro? Fuck. It's like slightly too small for this thing. Oh shit, something came off. I'll try my best to see if it's not really moving the nuts. Oh, it's kind of moving it if I put pressure. Oh, awesome. We're in kind of thing. That screw is annoying. Ah, there it is. Trying to save it. Yeah. Kind of got it there. Put it over here on the bench. Yeah, I recommend have a space where you can put all the parts so you can easily put it back later. Yeah, some people said this is too hard to do. I think it's more the changing the rim, but mine's already like kind of half off anyways. The tire from the rim. Yeah, I think this part here was like going to be the hardest thing. Maybe having a mortgage is a good thing. It kind of makes you be resourceful. You can learn new skills. Partly why I want to buy a car, maybe do some more driving and stuff. DD. I don't know if that's coming out, but we'll try this one too. Just keep trying. Yeah, it's a really bad cough. That's what happens when you have to catch fucking buses and trains in the middle of the night. Oh, it's kind of coming off, but I'm using like not the right size. Fuck. I have to kind of force it out. It's so annoying. Fuck. Oh, come on. I don't know if it's still moving or not. Oh man. Very slowly if I put a lot of force on it. Putting it back will be fucking hard too. But that's not holding the wheel, it's just holding the visor. Oh, it's so slow to get it out. I need something slightly bigger, but that one is too big, I think. Yeah. sizes there, so I'm not sure what this one is. Maybe it's a 2.5. Yeah, he didn't really say in the video which one it is. Don't know if I probably don't have the other size. This is like from an e-bike tool. Yeah, Xiaomi, this is really annoying. It's not a standard size or something. Oh, fuck. Why couldn't they use Philips? Ah, fuck. It's like slowly moving, but it's just so annoying because it's not always moving. I have to really turn with it. Hopefully it's not wearing out the screw. Yeah, that's out. That one at least. This one. Fuck. Yeah, this is gonna go for more than... Oh, I have like 10 minutes, but this is gonna go more than 36 minutes. Put this over here. This one's been more difficult. It's really annoying. It's not really... Is that a bug? Can't tell if it's actually moving the screw. It's just really loose. I think this one's having an issue. Oh, fuck. I can't get it off. Oh man, I think it's like getting blunt. Oh yeah, look at this end. It's like kind of blunt as well. Can use this for shopping and like other things. Bottles, the 10-cent thing. I was planning to use it to carry my bike batteries, but it's not super far distance, just because I live like 800 meters from the station. But they are heavy, yeah. Oh, fuck. Maybe they made it hard so people wouldn't steal it. Fuck. It's so hard to get this one off. I wish it just broke, to be honest. too small. Oh, sorry guys. Do you want me to break it off? Oh, that's one way to solve it. Just turn it. I just need to get to that screw. I'm an engineer, I guess, IT one, but I like e-vehicles and stuff. They're kind of new modern tech. What's coming out? That should be loose already. Yeah. Let's take it out like what the video did. And he said it just comes out. Ah, yeah, he's right. It just pull it back and it comes out. Look at the hair on that thing. And hair there too, fuck. At least it's not the motor wheel. I can take some photos of it. It's ridiculous, bro. Oh, it says I can't do flash, but is it still my battery? Oh, yeah. Oh, I can use my other phone. Oh, okay. And now I'm probably gonna put the new tire on. What do you think? Yeah, it's like worth it. It's so hard to take it off. This was already like half off. Actually, before that, I want to take the hair off. Just, oh my god, excess hair, everyone. I put it there. That's one side of it, and this is the other. He said I might need to take the disc brake off, but we'll try without it. There's a lot of hair here. I'm just taking the hair off in the kind of axle area. It should be kind of flush and clean. Oh, there's so much hair. I think the front one also has hair, but oh my god. I don't want to take off the front unless I have to. If you have an e-scooter, guys, try to avoid having a girlfriend. Okay, I think that's most of it off. You see, that's the tube, it got blown. I'll just try to take it off. He said add a bit of soap to it. I might have to, It was actually causing me plantar fasciitis riding this thing because the wheel was like this, not even. Oh, just trying to get it off, if you can see, but just trying to like this. Not sure if I have to take the whole thing off. Yeah, probably. I think I need to put some soap. I remember in the video he did some wedge thing, kind of a spanner looking things, but he had something a bit better. Something like that. Yeah, he was struggling in the video as well. Fuck. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Let me just check real quick.
And then you'll be able to change your tyre more easily, and without the risk of bending your disc.
This? I took off the disc brake. How much time? Not much time left. I'll do another video.
Step 8. You can now remove your old tyre and puncture the inner tube. So we begin by
I
taking
forgot
off the
that
valve cap.
part.
Then
I
push the
already
inner tube
pushed it
valve
in.
inside the wheel.
Yeah, I already pushed. Gotta push it in more. Push this in more. Just push this tube. Yeah, it's quite hard. I might have to just. I'm gonna get this tire off first.
Step 9. So that you can remove the tyre more easily, squeeze the edges of the tyre to remove it from the rim. Then push half of the tyre inside the wheel. And as you can see here, part of the tyre is inside the wheel, and the other part is mostly outside the rim.
If you've ever wondered what it takes to make money in the currency market, which...
Hey everyone, so we're back. We have 15 minutes of storage left. Okay, let's try to do this. I'm just up to the wheel part where I need to take it off somehow. He mentioned putting soap. Oh my god, like probably the wrong type of soap, but he managed just put it around there or something like that. Oh, that's gonna be tricky. I think it wasn't the best idea. It's seemingly above that side. Also, I need to make sure this nozzle somehow clears that. I'm gonna try and get a wedge. Really hard to get it off. Just try and wedge it out somehow. I don't really want to change the tire, to be honest. It's so hard to get it off, but it's already half off. He mentioned using another spanner of sorts. I've got another one here. Just trying to wedge the tire out. Yeah, it's a really tricky process. I'm sure if I do this side as well, just that's the way it is. That's really hard. The tube is totally gone. The tire has to come off as well. I can pull that out, but it's like kind of holding the tire up. If I just keep going around. Oh, fuck. That's really hard. Just getting this off the wheel. He mentioned squeezing it. Kind of have to wedge the wheel off the rim. God knows I'm gonna put another one on it.
Step 16. Take the V3 tyre and check in what direction it needs to be mounted. Or rubber deposits, then it's time to change it for a new one. 2. Check the outside of the tyre, and if you see that the tyre tread is very worn and reached the end of its life, then it's definitely a good sign that you need to change it. So in this video, we're going to replace the old original tyre with a more resistant
I can't even take
V3
it off, bro.
And as you can see here, part of the tyre is inside the wheel, and the other part is mostly outside the rim. Step 10. Put a few drops of liquid soap around the tyre so that it comes out easily and doesn't get stuck.
Which side, you know?
And step 11. Place 2 tyre levers on the part of the tyre that's on the outside of the wheel.
The outside.
And create a leverage effect to take the first side out. Then go around the tyre to completely dislodge the first part.
It's really hard.
Step 12. Push the valve of the punctured inner tube to the outside of the rear wheel.
I don't have the same tool he has, just kind of using spanners. Said create like a wedge effect, something like that. It's really hard. Really hard. Oh fuck. Fuck. Let me alone. Oh man. This is really fucked up. I'm not sure how to get it off. take it to some shop. It's hard. Fuck. I think it's better to just cut it really, somehow with a laser. Putting another one on will be hard though. That's crazy, bro. Oh man.